Hi everyone, I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss viewing and analyzing statistics of rapid typing software of class 9. To view the result of all the lessons that you have already completed, go to the statistics section of rapid typing software. Student statistics window. As you can see here, there is a page screenshot of student static of rapid typing software in which we can analyze our result. Student account area consists of three parts. A student toolbar for adding, removing, inserting, saving existing student account, and student groups and save student statistics in the different format PDF, HTML, XML, and CSV. Student accounts in the area for selecting the current student account or student group. Property panel is the area where you can edit group or student properties of the selected item in the navigation tree. Static panel. This area consists of three parts. Statics toolbar has a button for choosing course, removing selected statics, and customizing the statics display option. Course diagram shows the common statics for all the lesson of the current course. Lesson diagrams show the statistics for each character or keystroke of the selected lesson in the course diagram. Lesson statistics table show the full statistics of the selected lesson in the course diagram. Characters used in the current lesson statistics are highlighted in red or black on the virtual keyboard. Formula for calculating typing speed. Gross word per minute is really the typing speed that you type in 1 minute. It's getting by total keystroke, key depression divided by 5. One word is equals to 5 characters and then divided by the total minute to get a word per minute speed. Net WPM formula, typing word per minute formula, calculation of net word per minute. Net speed can be calculated by deducting errors in gross word per minute. For example, if you typed 40 words in a minute but you type 3 words wrong, then your net WPM is equals to 37 words per minute. Accuracy formula. Accuracy is a percentage ratio of gross and net word speed. Accuracy equals to net WPM by gross WPM into 100. That is equals to, suppose that if your net WPM equal to 37, gross WPM equal to 40, then the accuracy is equal to 92.5%. Net speed. Total word typed minus word error by total time taken. Example, suppose a candidate typed total 350 word in a 10 minute in which he typed 20 word wrong. Net speed in WPM equals to 350 minus 20 by 10 equals to 33 word per minute. Accuracy. Net word per minute by gross word per minute into 100. Accuracy is equals to 33 by 35 into 100, that is equals to 94.28%. Typing accuracy. Typing accuracy is defined as the percentage of correct entries out of the total entries typed. To calculate this mathematically, take the number of correct characters typed divided by the total number multiplied by 100%. So if you type 90 out of 100 characters correctly, you typed with 90% accuracy. See here, there is a divided in two parts, description, formula. In description, accuracy in word percent, then accuracy equals to 100% minus word with error into 100% by total number of word. Accuracy in character, percent character. Accuracy is equal to 100 minus character with error into 100 by total number of characters. Accuracy in keystroke percent. Accuracy equals to 100 minus incorrect keystroke into 100 by total number of words. Sometimes it is convenient to calculate the typing accuracy in the error. See table below again. Description formula. Error in the word percent, error percent is equals to word with error into 100 by total number of word. Error in characters percent. Error percent equal to error equals to characters with error into 100 by total number of character. Error in keystrokes percent. Error percent equal to incorrect keystroke into 100 by total number of keystrokes. Description formula. Error in word percent word equals to error percent equals to word with error into 100% by total number of words. Error in character percent equal to error percent equal to characters with error into 100 by total number of characters. Error in keystroke percent equals to error percent equals to incorrect keystroke into 100 by total number of keystrokes. Now we are going to learn typing rhythm. In the touch typing technique, the typing rhythm is a very important part. This means that keystroke should come to at equal interval. To control the constant typing speed, the slowdown indicator is used. In the following table are different formula for the slowdown calculation. Slowdown in the word percent equal to slowdown percent equal to word with delay into 100 by total number of word. Slowdown in character percent equals to slowdown percent equals to character with delay into 100 by total number of characters. Slowdown percent in the keystroke percent equals to slowdown percent equal to keystrokes delay into 100 by total number of keystrokes. Overall rating calculation formula. Overall rating percentage is equal to net speed into by course goal, that is speed into 100, where net speed is net WPM, net CPM or net KPM. The value depends upon the current options. Course goal. Speed is customized in the option for each course. What is a good typing speed? In one study of average computer user in 1998, the average rate of transcription was 33 words per minute. In the same study, when the group was divided into fast, moderate, and slow group, the average speed were 40 WPM, 35 WPM, and 23 WPM respectively. An average professional typist type usually in a speed of 50 to 80 words per minute, while some position can require 80 to 95, and some advanced typists work at the speed above 120 words per minute.